afternoon, Miss.
Okay, our topic today, before we start our lesson, we'd like to give 3 claps before we start. 1, 2, go. Okay, our lesson today, which is greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. So you know the meaning of greenhouse gases in your own understanding. Greenhouse gases.
GA that trap with the heat.
Yes, that's correct. So greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that trap the heat. They let sunlight in but stop of the heat from escaping back into space, keeping the earth warm like a blanket around the planet. For example, carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and ozone. So this is the diagram of the greenhouse gases. So you know what greenhouse gases is?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so here's the note so you're gonna follow me in describing the lesson today. Our lesson today is based on understanding the meaning of greenhouse gases, understanding the role of greenhouse gases in warming the earth, and explain the impact of human activities on greenhouse gas levels and strategies to solve that issue. So, how greenhouse gases work? So, here are the steps that I give to you. The step in knowing how greenhouse gases work. So we're gonna read together how greenhouse gases work. So the first step is sunlight enters the atmosphere, heat of heat, infrared radiation, greenhouse gases absorb this heat, radiation of heat, earth becomes warmer. So those are the steps on how greenhouse gases work. So these natural processes, it keeps the earth warm enough for life. But when humans add too many greenhouse gases, for example, burning fossil fuel, deforestation, that can make the earth overheat and cause the global warming. So the next contents of the lesson was how greenhouse gases trap the heat like a blanket around the earth. So greenhouse gases work like a blanket. You know that sunlight passes through the atmosphere, just like light passes through your blanket into a tiny hole. It reaches the earth and warms the land and land's ocean. The earth gives off heat. The warm air tries to release the heat, which known as the long-wave infrared radiation back into space, like your body giving off warmth under a blanket, for example. The greenhouse gases trap the heat gases such as carbon dioxide, vapor, like the blanket fabric, holding in some of the heat so it can't escape easily. So here is the video you need to watch and concentrate and take note. And take note for this video so you understand what is greenhouse gases.
It's called the wedge. The time and that is the next moment. In this
Well, one reason is the greenhouse effect. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and glass roof. The clear glass
Can
allows
take notes
sunlight
on
to shine into the greenhouse
some
while also
important
trapping the sun's
information.
heat inside. This is how a greenhouse keeps plants warm even at night and in the winter. The greenhouse effect keeps Earth warm in pretty much the same way. Earth isn't surrounded by glass, but it is surrounded by a jacket of gases called the atmosphere. In the daytime, the sun shines through the atmosphere, warming Earth's surface. After the sun goes down, Earth's surface cools. This releases heat back into the air, but some of that heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane are all examples of greenhouse gases. Earth needs a balance of greenhouse gases to maintain just the right temperature for living things. But some human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. For example, burning fossil fuels like coal and oil releases more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. These extra greenhouse gases can cause the atmosphere to trap more and more heat, leading to a warmer Earth. NASA satellites are constantly measuring the gases in our atmosphere from space. They've observed increases in the amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. The information from NASA satellites can help scientists figure out where greenhouse gases are coming from and how they are ending up in our atmosphere. This information will help us better understand the impact that greenhouse gases have on our climate, and help us better understand this very special greenhouse that we call home. Find out more about our Earth at NASA Climate Kids.
So, from watching the video, what is your understanding from this video?
On the greenhouse effect,
You already know
so the continuous content carbon dioxide
first the units, right? So the units here, the definition of
That's
is
correct.
correct.
From the video that you already seen here, it shows the beauty of the environment. So when human activities like burning fossil fuel, deforestation, which means cutting down of trees, yes, that can make the more heat and cause the temperature very heat. So that is make the effect. So, but by the human activities and to work on the issue of greenhouse gases, there are the strategies mainly focus on reducing emission and increasing absorption of those gases. So it was important to know the strategies to decrease the issue of greenhouse gases, which is the first one is planting more trees, it's known as afforestation or reforestation. And the second one is the promote public transport like electric vehicles and not using cars. You understand the human activities that destroy the greenhouse gases?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me two strategies?
As you already mentioned,
Yes,
the first one, people must be reduce must be planting more trees in order to have the greenhouse.
Yes. Thank you.
And the other one for promoting the the public transport.
Yes. Yes. You give the correct answer. So to fight the greenhouse gases, we must use the green energy, save energy, planting trees, farm sustainably, manage waste, and work together globally. So from the notes I give it to you, you understand what the contents of greenhouse gases. So you want me to repeat it again?
It's clear, ma'am.
It's clear. Okay, thank you. So I have an activity for you to do, but you have to present your answer here and write here the question, and you study the note first, and then you present your answer.
What is your answer for the answer for it's not starting point or the point where the ball is protected. The point where the ball is dropped, like this distance. So maybe what is the point now of 25?
한지 너무 하네 진짜.
What is the 20? So initial velocity is 20.
Meaning and is constant
of protects.
left to here. For this.
Check. Our angle of protection is 20.
So
Yeah, I have to write it there.
yes, you have to write your answer on the board, please, in order other students can see your answer. And
Yeah.
thank you.
Ma'am, paano po?
You may sit down. So, greenhouse gases in the air. So your answers here are answers correct and answer well from the note I already give to you. So you understand the lesson today, or you want me to explain it again?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So thank you for your participation and obedience in this class. So are you enjoying the lesson today?
Yes.
Okay, thank you and see you next class.
Okay.